time has finally come, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Welcome here to Park City, Utah. We got the F40 355. We got the Diablos of Koenigsegg. We're headed to Wyoming. We got the elevator right there, the F40. This is gonna be crazy. Curator alley. Yeah, bro, that sounds so good. We got Cowboy John himself. You're paying for all the tickets today,
all
right?
The tickets.
All the tickets.
No bail. All the tickets.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done. We're at like 7,000, 8,000 feet. I am out of breath right now. But luckily, we are going down the mountain. We're headed to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We got Clayton Stark running co-pilot as well. It's gonna be a fast one today, boys. No tickets, no jail, no bail. But if we do go to jail, Clayton's gonna bail me out.
I will.
A quick odometer check, 11,941. We got one check engine light. That's it. So I have one issue with the Koenigsegg. First time we're doing a proper road trip in this car. We'll kind of sort of see what happens. But we're running to Jackson, and then tomorrow we're running back to Utah. Wakey wakey! Tamarian coming out here blocking traffic with the VT Roadster. What a legend. You'll love to see it. Breathe it in, boys, too. Carbon monoxide coming off that thing. We're gonna pass out, but you know what? No better way to go. Ah, Johnny. Cowboy Johnny. This Diablo is popping like crazy, and that color is wild. All right, it's gonna be a good day, boys. I'm gonna lose my voice. It is so loud in the Koenigsegg, so if you say I'm screaming at the top of my lungs, tell I am, because this thing, I got a V8 twin turbo strapped to my back. John's the mayor of Park City, trust me. And you get, oh, little cold tires right there here in the mountains. The wingless Coutosh, keep it up. That thing looks so sick. And anybody who's driving an F40 on a rally, automatic respect. It is just popping like crazy. It's flame season today, boys. Every single time Alex lets off on the throttle, it is a massive fireball. Straight pipe CGT, that yellow is so crazy. And ladies and gentlemen, the Ferrari Enzo. Hey Jakey, could you pop it just a little bit? Oh, bro, a couple little baby wraps there. There it is. Have you been holding out on me? You got
just
the roll
opened
gold?
it for you.
Bro,
Nice
best
and fresh.
co-pilot ever. Are you kidding me? Let's go.
Crazy thing, the guy just gave me these inside.
Wait, seriously?
He's like, you're buying pretzels, you can just have them. The cars are really cool.
Let's go.
All right.
Wyoming.
Yeah.
Alex, what did you just say? You're gonna offend the whole nation.
oh.
They said, what are you driving next? I said CGT. And I said, but that for me is a downgrade from a 640.
Amen, brother. Amen.
Probably won't need this, but since he's driving my favorite baby in the world, you know, this is the fire extinguisher because the fireballs.
Do you see the pyro ink?
I did, yes.
Okay.
Welcome to Wyoming. Everything is legal here.
Pyro, so I have to take a picture of that.
Oh, amazing.
My brother is a born pyromaniac.
Well, you're in the right car. You're in Charizard, bro.
We had a sandbox growing up, and he used to light the world's biggest fire.
You're gonna honor the family name. You got the flamethrower, Charizard.
What is this?
Make your brother
Charizard, baby.
Charizard. That's
Flamethrowing.
the Pokemon that shoots the most fire. He's on your team.
Right? Only Alex. Johnny, just for the audience, couple. Just a little bit, baby. These guys have been in Wyoming for 5 minutes. They got the full cowboy suit, the cowboy boots, and they're driving a Carrera GT. I don't even recognize you guys. The gloss PPF looks so amazing. Clayton absolutely crushed it, and I think he's crushing all the pretzels too in one sitting.
No,
bro,
there's plenty.
That bag is
There's
half
plenty.
gone.
Yeah, I've been
You
giving
had
them
half
out.
the pretzels. You've been here for
I have
5
to feed
minutes.
the rally.
There's just nothing more like a gas station ticket for on a rally. Yes, in Wyoming. I love the carbon fiber in that Veyron so much. So we're headed that way to Jackson. I don't even know where Alex is. Doug, my guy. That's sick. To the dark side in the Carrera GT. Who even are you? What? Oh my gosh, they were built for Porsches. Lambo Jesus. He's Porsche Jesus now. The owner of this Enzo is an absolute legend, taking a blue chip car on a rally through Wyoming. What? I don't know where Alex is taking us. We are now on a dirt road.
I don't know if this is where we're supposed to be.
We're following Alex. It's not our, yep, here we go. Where's that grin? He's gonna give us that smile. There it is.
They all came up here. I don't know which way to go though, right or left.
I have no idea.
It's dirty.
Gravel road, baby.
Should we go straight?
We can go straight. We can go wherever you want, bro. Well, a minor mistake, but this is not a bad view. Bare Lake with the Ferrari Enzo. That might be the most beautiful view we've ever had in the history of the channel. That's it. And the Monterey Blue with Bear Lake, it almost matches exactly. The gloss PPF turned out so good. It's got so much depth. It looks like glass. The carbon fiber as well. Welcome to Idaho. Legendary Herschel, the NAV10. Those Yamaha sound engineers acting like Mozart. As the old saying goes, we're just chasing those views on views, and what a lineup that is. All the greatest cars from the 2000s, the 90s, and the 80s. And of course, some Silla. GT, we go. Hello. All right, of course, we got Jakey. John Tamarian has stepped up. I don't know where we're going, but it's called Refugee. Behind Alex is a cop. I don't know what that means, but I hope he's okay. This is the coolest hangar I have ever seen in my entire life. All the wood is amazing, and however expensive that is, I want it. And Alex, bro, when are you gonna step up?
Dude, this is like a stadium in here. And,
it is,
yeah,
and you need a jet.
We need to work harder, both of us.
Well, I think if you work hard enough for all of us, then we're good.
Yeah.
You do all the work, we'll enjoy. Come on, Alex.
I need a plane.
All right,
Come on.
I gotta go home.
Yeah, get back to work. 3.4 million.
3.4.
Forget the CCX.
It was probably 20 million new,
Forget the
but
Carrera GT.
forget them.
Get a jet.
Forget them.
Take all the
Well,
homies everywhere.
Let's split it.
I'll give you half the Koenigsegg, you get half the jet. We rotate.
Okay, all right.
That'd be $6.
I'll do that.
$3.4 million seems like a bargain.
Financing on an airplane too.
Absolutely. Oh yeah, and it's a write-off. It's a tax write-off. Yes. And Wyoming.
In 1 year.
Yes, and Wyoming sales tax is 4%. Look at us. Accounting knowledge coming in clutch, baby. The running costs will be a little bit expensive, but that's all right. Well, today is officially my day, from the supercars from the Koenigsegg to the Acrobatic plane. I just had lunch. I had cookies, I had soda, I had brisket. This is not good. Nandine, it's your fault if I vomit on the vlog. This thing is sick.
The pilot, Brian.
Brian, James, pleasure. Nice to meet you. We're gonna go fly the friendly skies. Let's do it. This thing's wicked. A nice view of that 4GT. This is crazy, in an Acrobatic plane somewhere in Wyoming. I am praying that I don't vomit, but more to come. So you have your house and your hangar. You live on site. This is goals on goals. This is insane. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Bro. That is straight inverted. I'm lying upside down. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys were here to feel this fucking wow. We survived. That is the craziest thing by far, and I always say this all the time. Craziest thing I have ever done in my life, going full inverted like that. Did the waiver cover me for that, John? No. No, it did not. I didn't think so. In the fine print, I didn't see any Acrobatic plane. You got to do that. You have to. I was close. I was crying like a little girl.
And I'm like,
Bro,
oh God.
I was done for. Craziest thing.
Down.
We're going straight towards the ground. Literally, he goes straight up and then straight down. I was gonna meet my ancestors, bro. Insane, insane. All of a sudden, we are on the runway, and we're going full center. Oh, it's slippery. What? How did that just happen? Only on the Curated Invitational. This is just one of the craziest things. Red Ferrari Enzo. I think we might be lining up for the greatest drag race ever. Is that what's happening? Are we doing Diablo GT versus Jaguar? Is this actually happening? I don't even know what's exactly going on. 20 minutes ago, I was inverted in the sky. Who are you?
I don't know.
What is all those? This was not on the itinerary, bro.
It wasn't.
This is not planned.
Full of surprises.
This is insanity. Why are we doing Veyron Koenigsegg? Is that what I hear? Are we lining them up? More to come maybe in the future. This is ridiculous. I can't even hold the camera steady because I'm so shaking from that plane. Bro, I'm literally, no, you got a vlog.
And you lived, and actually you didn't. James, you're in heaven right now. I'm sorry,
That's
man.
what happened.
You died and you went
This
to
is heaven, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, why are
Welcome to
you
heaven.
here? Why are you here?
I went up in the plane right before you.
Okay.
Wait, right after you.
Right after.
I went up in a different plane.
Not a first best shot, driving Koenigsegg, eh?
That was pretty sweet.
Full send, day one immediately. The drone is somewhere up in the sky. 9, 9, 7, 8, 3, 0, ese.
Catch up.
We're gonna track him down. Let's go, Koenigsegg. Catch that. Woo! Oh my gosh, it is slippery, it is dusty. This is full send down the runway. The runway is so dusty, that Bugatti though, that all-wheel drive, it's so heavy. No issues whatsoever. Koenigsegg is just loosey-goosey. That Veyron is just gone. Just gone. And we go. Oh my gosh, it's dusty. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Grand Tetons. Welcome to Wyoming. That view is absolutely gorgeous. 13,776 feet high. The Grand Teton. Gotta give the people what they want. Welcome to Wyoming, baby. And a final odometer reading, 12,242. That is 300 miles. Oh, thank you.
Good job.
We gotta drive back tomorrow, but this place is wicked. There's free food everywhere. Getting clean back. Oh, cowboy hat looking sharp. I think it's the first time ever that somebody wearing chubbies, aka a swimsuit, is staying at the Four Seasons Jackson. Oh, what are you concocting over there?
Here's your water martini, sir.
Yes, hydration is quite essential.
Yes. Pinky out.
And they just spilled it all over myself. What is wrong with me? Well, we're on the way back home and we have a cop coming on us. We were doing 75 and a 65, which is not the worst thing in the world. Allegedly. This cop is torturing us right now, just following us. We're going 63 and a 65. He did not have radar running. We got radar running. He did not have it running, so I don't know how long he's gonna follow us. We're just gonna chill and kind of see what happens.
Pull over.
Can you hold this? Can you hold this? Can you hold this?
Pull into the neighborhood there.
What in the world?
Maybe he just liked the car.
We got stopped. There's a cop in front of us, cop behind us. He followed us for 5 miles. They got nothing on us. I literally have no idea. We've been cruising all morning doing absolutely nothing.
I hate it. It's like profiling. They're just like, I'll just follow you until you do something wrong.
We didn't do anything wrong.
No, I know that. It's like, I guess
No,
that.
I think he said that he's pulling over speeding.
What?
Yeah, I think he's saying speeding.
There's no way.
I know. Where's my
There's literally no way.
No, I know. We were chilling.
We passed him on his right turn. So
I know.
Yeah.
When the radar went off after he passed us.
There's no way.
So I'm gonna ask him if he was radaring and what he got us at.
Yeah.
No, I think he's saying they got us.
What? Doing what?
I don't know.
The plate.
Or is radar illegal in Wyoming? Can you Google it? I don't want to admit that I'm running radar right now if it's not legal. But if it is legal, I was running radar. His radar flipped on after he passed us. They said they got a spray painted Ferrari. That's not with us.
Radar is legal.
Oh, okay. Radar is legal, so we are good. The cop seems honestly pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think they're just kind of sort of bored. We're in Wyoming in the middle of nowhere, so we're also being intimidated by 2 cops.
We heard something about a wrapped Ferrari, which is not us.
Do you have any paperwork on this one? I'm assuming that...
I do. The car is full of all of our backpacks. I probably have to get out to find it.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
I do, sir, yes.
Okay. So like I was telling him, I just had you guys all kind of running a little fast where I passed you about 7 miles back.
Okay, did you get radar on us?
Yep, had one of you. The slowest one was going 84, the fastest guy was going 88.
What info do you need?
Just the year...
2013.
2013.
Koenigsegg.
Koenigsegg?
Yes, sir. Koenigsegg.
Wow.
And it's Koenigsegg Agera is Agera. Agera.
With him,
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Can I open the door and take my hoodie off?
Yeah, you bet.
Okay.
You bet. Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out if we get a ticket. We know he wasn't running radar because as soon as he passed us, the radar started going off. We got KA bands left and right. He then flipped around. Radar is legal in Wyoming, but once he's written the ticket, it doesn't really matter. Like Clayton said, you're getting the ticket no matter what. Then you hire the traffic attorney, you pay all these fees. When they go to court and they don't have radar, the ticket is dismissed. What do you think? What do we do, Clayton?
I have no idea.
You're a professional. You got pulled over in Monterey. You get
That
pulled over
doesn't
all the
make me a
time.
professional.
Clayton got pulled over in Monterey for
That makes
going,
me
what,
a
3 miles an
criminal.
hour? That's true. Very, very criminal.
I can just tell you all at once, then it's a little easier for me. and doesn't take up any more of your guys' time.
Absolutely.
Okay, so what I did is I wrote everybody at 84, and the reason I did that is because several years ago we had a couple different court cases in a month with different speeds, and the judge picked the bottom speed and found everybody guilty of that because he's like, well, I don't want to find an error if you got the second guy's speed, the third guy's speed for 5 miles an hour more, if that makes sense. So since then, we just kind of, if we get a group like this, we just the lowest speed, write everybody that, so that we're not giving the guy that was doing 84 the ticket for doing 89 or something like that. Doesn't require you to appear in court unless you want to contest it. If you do, everybody has the same court date, 13th of November at 10 a.m. You would just have to appear on that day if you want a trial with the judge. If you don't, there's an online e-pay option on the back where you can mail a cashier's check or money order. Just have to do one of those on or before that date so they don't issue a warrant, suspend your driver's license, and turn you into a collection agency. Any questions?
How much was it again?
So the speed or the fine?
The fine.
The fine is $155.
Okay.
So a lot cheaper than Utah, California. I don't know about Arizona. But
sounds like a bargain to me. End of the month bargain. I know you guys got a quota.
Everybody from Utah, well, we don't anymore. But well, we never did. We used to have so many contacts, but they took that away several years ago because they didn't want it to seem like violation of you or whatever.
Yeah.
So, any other questions? All right.
Is radar legal in the state of Wyoming?
As far as like,
running radar?
For us?
For me, or any, like for a civilian.
There's no rules against it.
So I was running radar and we saw you and your radar flipped on right as you hit my front fender. Like, hey, man, just started going crazy.
Like the radar detector, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
You flipped it when you passed us.
Yeah.
Yeah, just as you got to.
We were going 73 when you passed, when you flipped it.
Well, maybe when you went past, and I don't know. The same guys that make radar detectors make radars, so there's a delay on your end, unfortunately. They kind of put an advantage
We've
here.
had a bunch of other cops pass us today, and it's been going crazy.
Really respectful.
We've been chilling the whole day. It feels like it's the Ferrari wasn't with us.
Yeah.
Okay. He was doing almost 100.
Yeah. Well, I have no. Yeah. There's no.
Yeah.
There's no
affiliation. So.
No.
No, and I didn't assume there was because he would like say he was in a Ferrari and you guys were all in Lamborghinis. So usually that's not typical.
Yeah. The Ferrari guys,
Yeah. It's
yeah.
They're a little too frou-frou.
Yeah. Exactly. Right. Amen, brother.
Ferrari and Porsche guys. You know?
And I didn't even know you guys were out here. I just turned around after writing him a ticket and was headed north, and then I passed you three guys, and I was like, oh, damn.
That's it.
All right, guys. Well, thanks. Appreciate you.
All right. Keep protecting. Keep serving.
Yep.
Well, that's cool. So you guys have a safe trip.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I feel very protected right now.
Do you feel vindicated?
I feel super protected.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely gorgeous day here in the beautiful state of Wyoming. All right, so we got to drive to Salt Lake about 3-4 hours that way, but yeah, the Koenigsegg, first time. That officer, very professional, very kind. I love the police. Nelly, speak to me. Come on.
I have no words.
This is a safe zone now. No. We're good now. No words.
We held her back.
I know.
Like Pitbull leashed her. I'm like, she's about to
come out.
I had to say something a little bit, but I said it very polite, right?
You did.
I was very respectful.
Not to talk because we would have ended up all towed.
I know, we would have ended up in the county jail.
But she's got a little.
Oh, she's feisty. Yes, she is. I'm not doing a good job running lead. Who wants to run pole position?
Some might say you're doing the best job.
No, I'm not doing good, bro. I've been lead for yeah, that did me a lot of good. Wow, I'm in pole position. 5 minutes, I get a ticket. If you guys could hear all too well, the ticket's only $150 in the state of Wyoming. That's one thing about Wyoming. 4% sales tax, property tax is low, income tax I don't think exists, and speeding tickets, although, well, yeah, $150. I wasn't gonna say everyone, never mind. Today's video, I think on that bombshell, is over. It looks like an alien spaceship with the sound of turbos. It's so cool. Look at that big squat!